In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn off Steam news, pop-ups, and notifications. If you're someone who enjoys uninterrupted gaming or simply prefers not to have notifications popping up constantly, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's dive right in and get those notifications under control. First, you'll want to open the Steam app on your computer. If you're not already familiar, Steam is a digital distribution platform where you can purchase, download, and play games. It's a fantastic tool for gamers, but those news pop-ups can be a bit distracting. So let's take care of that. Once you have Steam open, take a look at the top left corner of the window. You'll see the Steam logo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for you to choose from. After you click the Steam logo, you'll see a list of options. You'll want to click on Settings. This is where we can adjust various Steam preferences to make sure everything is tailored to your liking. The Settings menu is your one-stop shop for customizing how Steam interacts with you and your games. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs on the left side. What you're looking for is the Interface tab. Click on Interface to bring up the relevant settings. This is where you can adjust how Steam looks and behaves, including turning off those pesky notifications. In the Interface section, you'll see an option that says, Notify me about additions or changes to my games, new releases, and upcoming releases. This is the setting responsible for those news pop-ups and notifications. To turn them off, simply uncheck the box next to this option. By doing this, you're telling Steam that you'd prefer not to receive those notifications about game updates and news. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Steam news pop-ups and notifications. Now you can enjoy your games without the constant interruptions. Remember, you can always come back to these settings if you ever decide you want those notifications back. Just follow the same steps and recheck the box. I hope you found this guide useful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.